Hello guys, welcome to my new video. I thought about to make a new video to make some things more clearly. I'm Patrick, still from Munich-Ai. As you know, we're offering different kind of strategies, templates, all for Cryptohopper, to give you an opportunity to invest some money in Cryptohopper and showing you explanation videos. Of course, we also having strategies, templates, signals. Of course, visit our website, visit also my Discord channel, come to our community and have fun. Last time, I don't know if you have seen my last video, I was talking about the compound premium templates, like I was creating two for bullish scenario and a bearish scenario. So in this template, the triggers inside the template were switching between different indicators. So like, for example, the EMA. So that means when we are seeing we are in a bearish run, like on the daily time frame, it's switching between the different templates. Just check it out again, the video, if you're interested in that. Hope you like it. This works the best with the compound premium strategy. All of the templates I'm offering right now working with all the strategies, but with the compound premium, of course, you get the most of the signals, and it's fully compatible to this. I made all the templates for free, so basically it's just like one time the strategy you need to buy, and then just use the templates. Also go now to Discord because we're developing from time to time some new ideas. Of course, getting feedback, and then I try to make some new templates out of that, or adjust the strategies and so on. So what I've done recently, like in the last days, I was in the Discord also talking about an idea which came into my mind. To the ideas behind, it's like a template for the compound premium. It's called set and forget. So behind the idea is I wanted to have a strategy. I just can set it up and let it go. It should be a strategy where we are even happy when the Bitcoin price drops. So because it's not binded on DCA, so normally when you're, for example, buying here and then the price goes up, it doesn't reach your profit zone, it goes more down. So what's happening if it goes like, for example, -6, DCA will buy again. That can be good, like in some of these cases, if it's here, but of course it can also happen that it's dropping even more, you know. I'll give you an example. Now we are in a quite of a bearish range, but okay, we are way too high. So for example, if we're going a bit down, for example, I don't know, we have bought in a way like this small drop here, we've bought here. And then for DCA, we bought here. So you put a lot of money in DCA and then it drops again. So this can happen, of course, like we're now in a bearish phase, but before, you know, it goes down, 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 and down and down. And once we reach the bottom, nobody knows when the bottom is, takes a long time, and you stay in a trade, going in minus, 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 minus. So the idea was behind just to have in a template which is working all the time and rebuy your positioning. So it's not doing DCA. DCA is a problem. It doubles your money always. So the first DCA is like, let's say you have a $100 position. DCA is buying again 100. That's the first DCA, which is fine. But then, for example here, the next time DCA, it makes from your 200, it makes 400 and so on. And it makes 800, it makes 1,600. And this is just for one position. So it puts a lot of money into your position, even when it's dropping down. So, and then this is only one position. So, and really, really quick, you're running out of money because it's uncontrollable. So the idea was behind the new template, which we just called set and forget. It's just like an easy template which rebuys the position always in the same amount. So, and it will buy once we get a buy signal from the strategy. So this means if we have bought, for example, here, and then it's going up a bit, it's not the profit zone yet, and it's dropping more again, we get another buy signal, we buy in the same amount. We always buy the same amount. And the idea is behind to be able at least buying, let's say, up to 10, 15, 20 times. This really depends on your percentage buy amount. So in this case, I've created like a first hopper making now paper trading. And for the first days, I started on 8th of February. It runs pretty well because, as you know, the Bitcoin at this time, like from the 8th, it's like we started here. It was a small drop. We made some profit, right? So this was actually here. You can see we bought and sell from the same amounts roughly. But then what happens? The Bitcoin, it drops a bit. So we bought again, like 3 times or something. And then look what's happening here. There are more buys and sells. So we're accumulating the area. But then also we reduce the minus position. So, and this means as soon as there's a small pump up, we sell much faster. So therefore we had like today the 4 sells, and you can also see it on the graph, going sideways, then it's going down a bit, and then it was buying, and then it went up, sold the positions. So that means we only have a few positions left over, but see, we're buying $90 positions, but there was 3 times bought already, 2 times. And the minus is quite low. This not because we didn't get a buy signal from 1. That's why we only have like $90 in it. It's like the start rate in the paper trader. So, which is pretty nice. So, and we're doing at least 1.5 profit zone percentage, because if we're doing like the small trades of $90, we want to have like a certain amount of profit out of this. So this is all working with a compound premium strategy, the one I'm offering for all the different of templates, or for the AI signals. I'm right here now using the AI signals, which are pretty much almost the same. I'm using the signals here right now because I wanted to create a strategy which only needs 10 selected coins. You need 10 selected coins. If you download the template here on Set and Forget on my account on Cryptohopper, just look for Munich-Ai, you will see it, Set and Forget, just load it, and then you have 10 coins in it. The background is, because here it is, the Cryptohopper subscription, the smallest one. You can use the smallest one, you need only the cheapest. It's really cool. It's $90 per month, so you have maximum 15 selected coins. So here we use like 10 selected coins, which is enough. And a really, really important thing also to set up is like a cooldown. So that means we wait for a certain time. What happens to the Bitcoin in this time, if he's recovering or going down more. So we wait like 8 hours after one buy, and then checking for new targets. Also, what I've set up, I want to have activated our crash protection trigger. Look at the last videos I made about the triggers. So really important is this one, because when there's a hard drop of the Bitcoin, for example, like here, the trigger will turn off, that we wait when we have somehow like a bottom reach. For example, we will break down, buying will be disabled, is not able to buy, and then, yeah, of course, maybe it will, when it's going back up, it will activate the buying, but then we wait in this area until it's going up a bit more, and then we activate the buying again. This is a really big advantage, because then we are here in the down phase, have enough money, and then can slightly recover and accumulate our money. So therefore we make much more profit. So yeah, and always when Bitcoin is dropping down, let's say you bought here last time, and then maybe bought here or not, doesn't matter, it breaks down, and you have for each position, you can buy like, for example, 14 times the same amount again. And then here in the background, you start accumulating, buying a position 3 times, for example, and then when it's going up again, then you make even more profit. Also, or it going down more, and then you also buy more positions. So the more options you have to rebuy, it's like the how you set up the config. When you're at the beginning setting here the percentage buy amount, when you put this on 0.4, you can even rebuy 20 or 25 times. The single trade is not that big, but more important is how often you can rebuy. if there's like a bull market like we had it last month, I will put down this a bit more, like on 0.4, because then I can 20 times I can rebuy, or 30 times, and can just maximize my profit. And I will be happy when the Bitcoin is dropping, because then I can rebuy. Yeah, you understand? Okay, yeah. There are not so much any other things to say. I've set it up, this template. It's of course for free, the template. You can just download it and put it in your hopper. Take the cheapest subscription from Cryptohopper. Have 2 triggers activated. Yeah, just can check daily what's happening. But for me, it looks pretty nice. I'm looking forward getting the next results. So as you can see, we have a trailing stop loss from 1.5 and 0.3 or 4, I think. And yeah, just for any information beside, we have set it up, the bearish and the bullish template before. This is, as I said, like switching between the market situations. If you're setting up and want to use this set and forget because you have a smaller subscription, for example, then you don't need also this in addition. So this works completely standalone. If you have a smaller subscription, just let it run. You can also invest with smaller money, like 2,000. Just let it go, and yeah, you will be happy. Try it out with paper trading at first, I would recommend you. And of course, if you have more questions, come to our Discord. We will be happy about that. And yeah, happy hopping. This is pretty much everything to say for now. Hope to see you in Discord. If you have any other questions, please join our Discord, and see you soon. Bye bye.